PRWX-FM is currently undergoing the emergency alert system. This is not a test.
The National Horn Service in Pennsylvania has issued a VOR warning for the following counties or areas: Tobyhanna, Scranton, Pittsburgh, Wilkes-Barre. Effective until further notice, a lot of people is currently making videos of people getting blown up. If you see these videos, move on to some non-VOR videos. This concludes the emergency alert system.